In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when the Add Phone Number option is missing in Roblox. If you've encountered this problem, don't worry, we're going to go through each step carefully so you can resolve it and enjoy your gaming experience without any hitches. Let's start by ensuring you're logged into your Roblox account. Sometimes, the option may not appear if there's an issue with the login session, so it's best to make sure you're signed in properly. Head over to the Roblox website and use your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings page. You can find this in the upper right corner of the screen by clicking on the gear icon. It's a small icon, so make sure you're looking closely if you're having trouble finding it. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. On the Settings page, you should see an option titled Account Info. Click on Account Info to continue. This is where the Add Phone Number option is typically located. If you're still unable to see it, there might be a requirement that isn't fulfilled yet. To address this, make sure that your account has been verified. Verification may sometimes be a prerequisite for adding a phone number. To verify your account, you'll need access to the email address linked to your account. If you haven't done this yet, head to your email inbox and look for a verification email from Roblox. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. If your account is verified and the option is still missing, consider checking if your account has any restrictions applied, such as a parental control setting. These settings can limit modifications to your account information, including adding a phone number. If your account is under parental controls, you may need permission or an adjustment to those settings before proceeding. In case you've gone through these steps and the option is still not appearing, a possible solution can be found by accessing your Roblox account from a different device. Try logging in through a desktop browser, as there might be differences in how the site displays options on various devices, and some settings might not be accessible from the mobile app. Finally, if you've tried all these solutions and the problem persists, it might be beneficial to reach out to Roblox support. They can provide assistance specific to your account and any other underlying issues that might be causing the Add Phone Number option to be unavailable. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully fix the missing Add Phone Number option in Roblox. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!